Hi friends, my name is Dipali Sonare, student of Shivajirao Azonle College of Pharmacy, Asangaon, studying in a final year B Pharmacy. Today I am going to explain histamine bradykinin and their antagonist with my coordinates Praveen Bhagre and Rohan Khara under the guidance of Dr. Niti Mohire sir are the principal of our college. So let's have start the video. Histamine. Histamine is a chemical messenger that mediates several cellular responses. Inflammatory reaction, allergic reaction, gastric acid secretion, limited neurotransmitter action in the brain. Histamine and receptor are present in essentially all the tissue type. There are especially high concentration of histamine receptor on the cell found in the lungs, skin, blood vessels and GI tract. Histamine has also been isolated from the venom of several poisonous animals and secretion from insectines. Histamine is one of many important mediators released by the cell in response to noxious stimuli. Histamine is stored in granules in most cells throughout the body, can be released in response to the tissue injury resulting from cold, heat toxins, venom, and trauma. Then histamine agonist, selective agonist for H1, receptor agonist that serve as a vasodilator. Betahistine has a very strong affinity for histamine H3 receptor and weak affinity for histamine H1 receptor. Agonist convert into receptor and receptor convert into generation of secondary messenger and they are converted into changes in cellular activity. Some important secondary messenger system activated by binding of agonist to cell surface receptor include the cyclic AMP and GMP system, calcium calmodulin, phosphophenoside, and dicycloglycerol. Selective agonist for H1 is to 2 is methylhistamine. Selective agonist for H2 is to 4 is methylhistamine. Selective agonist for H3 is to alpha is methylhistamine amide. Here, the structure of a histamine. The molecular formula of histamine is C5H9N3. IUPAC name of histamine is given below. Then, chemical properties. Histamine structure is very similar to amino acid histidine, which is formed by imidazole ring so that it can easily react due to the aromaticity of the ring and the lonely electron pair under the nitrogen of the ring. Further moving on to pharmacokinetic, there is a mechanism action of a histamine. Histamine is classified as H1 receptor, H2 receptor and H3 receptor, that is presynaptic autoreceptor. So H1 receptor. H1 receptor which is acted by increasing calcium level which resulting increasing smooth muscle contraction, capillary vasodilation, sensory nerve ending pain and itching. Then H2 receptor which is acted by increasing CAMP which resulting increase in gastric acid secretion, blood vessel vasodilation, increase capillary permeability. Then H3 receptor which act by decreasing CAMP resulting decreasing histamine release, secretion and vasodilation. Let's see uses, adverse effect and side effects. First is uses, allergic rhinitis and common cold, allergic dermatitis, itching and urticaria, web sting bites, pain and itching decreases, mild blood transfusion reaction. Then side effects, itching, urticaria, flushing, hypotension, tachycardia, bronchospasm. Adverse effect, coughing, congestion, shortness of breath, tiredness, itchy skin, hives and other skin rashes, itchy, red and watering eyes, a running or blockage nose or seizing, insomnia, nausea and vomiting. Pharmacokinetics, absorption. Histamine are well absorbed from oral and parental route. Distribution: widely in a body and entire brain. Never compound penetrate brain poorly. Protein binding is very low. Exertion: complete in the urine within 24 hours. Metabolism: organ is liver, then metabolites 2,2-aminoethylpyridine and 2-pyridylactic acid. Let's see dose and dosage form. Dose: 1 tablet 5 to 10 gram taken 1 to 2 times a day. Then dose form: tablet and capsule. Then brand name, company name, cost per tablet. Leocitrizine tablet IP FDC. Company is FDC Limited Company. 6 rupees per tablet. Brand name is Vortadine tablet. Dipia Company. 87 rupees per tablet. Note: histamine increase the permeability of the capillaries to the white blood cell and some proteins to allow them engage pathogens in the affected tissue. Let's get started with bradykinin. Bradykinin formed by proteolytic cleavage of circulating proteins termed kininogen. Here the synthesis and metabolism of bradykinin. Kininogen is converted into bradykinin by the help of enzyme kallikrein, and then bradykinin is converted into bradykinin 1,7 with the help of enzyme ACE and NAP, that is angiotensin converting enzyme and neuroendopeptide. Then it converted into bradykinin 1,5 with the help of enzyme ACE. Then second form of a bradykinin is quinidine, which is converted into bradykinin with the help of enzyme aminopeptide. Bradykinin antagonist. First is Deltiban. It is a novel bradykinin antagonist used in the treatment of systemic inflammatory response syndrome and sepsis. Then second is Icatibant. It is a synthetic decapeptide functioning as a potent competitive agonist of bradykinin 2 receptor and used in management of hereditary angioedema. Here the structure of a bradykinin. The molecular formula of a bradykinin is C50H73N15O11. IUPAC name is given below. Bradykinin is a 9 amino acid peptide chain. Its empirical formula is C50H73N15O11. Here, the mechanism action of a bradykinin. There are two types of kininogen. One is LMW kininogen and another is HMW kininogen. LMW kininogen is converted into lyase bradykinin with the help of tissue kallikrein, and HMW kininogen is converted into bradykinin with the help of enzyme plasma kallikrein. Lyase bradykinin and bradykinin are both beta-2 receptor. Lyase bradykinin is converted into inactive metabolites with the help of ACE kinase 2, where bradykinin is converted with the help of kinase 1. Start with the uses, adverse effect and side effects. Uses: allergic rhinitis, allergic conjunctivitis, urticaria, nausea and vomiting, sedation. Then side effect: itching, urticaria, flushing, hypotension, tachycardia, bronchospasm. Then side effect: sedation, dizziness, blurred vision, anxiety, insomnia. Here the dose and dose form. Dose: tablets 5 mg, spray 0.3 mg. Then dose form: tablet and capsule. Then brand name, company name and cost per tab. Bradykinin Calidine 5 mg. Company names: PeptiSciences Company. Cost per tablet is ₹6. Second is Kisspeptin 10-200 mg per ml. Company name is Elite Health Online. Cost per tablet is ₹87. Here the note: dose response
studies indicate that bradykinin is more potent than melatonin or histamine in respect of well-being.
We are thankful to our President, Honorable Dr. Shivajirao Zonle Sir, Secretary Honorable Dr. Geeta Khare Ma'am and Principal Dr. Nithi Mohire Sir for encouragement and guidance, efficient use of social media to spread knowledge through making informative videos. Please like and subscribe our channel for such informative videos. Thank you.